Hey everybody, welcome back to the Beaded Jewel. I'm Rochelle, and today's video is going to be on the International Gem and Jewelry Show. I just went yesterday, which was June the 24th, and it goes on all this weekend. Okay, now I went last year also, and they have a lot of, it goes all over the country. So they're in different states. I'm in Maryland, so they're in different states, different times of the year. And they have a lot of DIY jewelry along with already made jewelry, high-end jewelry, diamonds. They have a lot of stuff there. And it's beautiful. But I go for the DIY jewelry. So, yeah, I went last year and I didn't find a whole lot because I'm mostly looking for crystals, my bicones, items I can use to make, my jewelry here. Okay. I was looking for clasp, not like this, but just something different. I didn't really find any of those. And you need to be careful because it is a lot of mostly Chinese owned companies. So with that being said, we're going to get started. I'm going to show you what I purchased. I didn't purchase a whole lot, which I was disappointed. Last year I didn't get a whole lot either because I didn't feel like I could really find the quality that I wanted in order to make my jewelry here that I make. So let's get started and I'll show you what I got. I'm going to show you my my first set of crystals I got here. They're all 4mm bicones. And let's see here. So here's my blue ones. Now these are pretty. They were on they came on long string, and they were attached to a hank, which is a full, if you ever seen a hank, and then you pull out how many strings of crystals you want. So there's about 108 crystals on a string, and I already took these off yesterday, so that's why they're like this. And then it doesn't give you like a color name or anything. So these are supposed to be Swarovski, and they are beautiful. They're really pretty. I just really question if they are, and I hope I'm wrong. I hope they are. I always like to get the AB2X coated. These look like they're just coated, but not the AB2X coated, because if they're AB2X coated, they're going to look like, hold on here, I have another bracelet here. They're going to look like this. You can see it's double coated. The AB2X is Aurora Borealis. Okay, so, and these are pretty, and if they're not Swarovski, which I can tell a Swarovski from a Precosa, but even online, when I'm looking at it online, I can definitely tell the difference. Even if these aren't Swarovski, it's definitely a high-end crystal. It's really pretty. I don't know if you can tell that from looking here, but these are pretty. So I got these. They're 4mm bicones. Let me get a little closer, you can see, and they do sparkle. They're nice. So get that out of the way. I got those, and these were, I'll leave it there. I'll get in here. It's another bicone here, 4mm bicone. That's what I usually use when I make my jewelry. And these were, so it came on a string like this, and it was $10. And again, I counted 108 pieces, so that's pretty good. This is really pretty. You see that? And it's long. I'm not going to adjust my camera because otherwise I'll mess it up for what I have to come up to show you. But let's see, I'll get a ruler around here. We can measure it a little bit. So 12. So it's about 15 inches long. Okay, but this is really pretty. I needed some violet. Is that pretty? So I got that one. I got another violet here. This is a little bit darker violet. Really pretty. And another violet. I really need a violet. I seem to never have enough. But it's gorgeous regardless of what it is. It's definitely a high-end crystal. And then I got this pink. Here is a pretty pink. Isn't it gorgeous? So pretty. And then so that's all for the bicones here, 4mm bicones. I'll put them all together so you can see how that looks. I'm gonna actually make a bracelet out of these colors. I just picked them up randomly. I wasn't looking for any particular color. And when I came home, I'm looking at it like this. I'm thinking, gosh, it's gonna make a pretty bracelet. I think I'm gonna do, you know, Russian spiral with these colors on it. Look at that. And of course there's the blue one I got, but so pretty. So I'm going to be doing this today, working on these. And let me show you what else I got. I found these. Get ready for the sparkle. Put some sunglasses on about right now. So these are, ready? Ta-da! I hope these sparkle. These are 14mm Rivolis. This is unbelievable. I'm gonna turn I don't think it's sparkling the way I want it to. I'm gonna get my camera light on. See if this helps a little. That might help a little bit. But you can see it. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I got two of these. I think these were like $2.50 a piece. Wow. That's so cool. So I got two of those, and I got two of the 16mm, I believe these are. And these were $4.50 a piece. There's the back. But look at that. Let me see if I can get my phone on there. My phone light. So pretty. So I don't know what I'm going to do with these yet, but I know I had to get them. So I got that. And the last thing I got, which I wasn't expecting to buy, is this right here. Isn't that cute? Let me get a little closer now. Oops. Look how this is so pretty in person. It's so super shiny and sparkly. This is a bracelet. It's a small size. It has like little crystals all in here. So pretty. Look at these colors. I guess kind of birthstone colors. But this is really pretty. Look at that. It's too small for my wrist. You can see it right there. I mean, it's a little too small. Let's see what this measures. This was $8 at the show. So I'm going to, it doesn't fit me, so I'm going to put this up on my Shopify store, the beadedjewelstore.com. I'll put that up for sale there. Here's my ruler. So it's about 7 inches, but I'll say that it fits up to a 6.5 inch wrist, or even 6 3/4. You know, just to make sure. But it's so pretty. And I also got one in gold tone. Look at that. Now I'm wishing I would have gotten more. These are really pretty. So cute. Isn't it cute? Look at that. I just love these. I'm actually not a big jewelry person. I don't wear jewelry except, you know, what I make to help advertise it. But these were so cute, I just couldn't help myself. Look at that. So, and that's all I got, folks. That is all I got. There wasn't much there. I mean, they had a place where they have a lot of other bicones and stuff, but you know, I don't like to get them unless I know they're really good quality. Sometimes I like to get, you know, the other type of bicones where they're not really, you know, Precosa or Swarovski. Is that? I don't have that in right. But anyway, this is all I got. Yeah, and I'm thinking I might not even go next year because I just don't, you know, it's just not worth me going out there for these when I can get, I have companies that I know that what I'm getting, you know. I know if it's Precosa or Swarovski or whatever. So that is it. So if you get a chance and it comes to your area, it's definitely worth going. Try it out. You know, you might find some things there you like. And that's it. Can't think of anything else. So if you're new here, please subscribe and give the video a thumbs up, please. That would greatly help my channel. And you can even, you know, click on the bell if you want to get notifications of my... Oh, wait a minute. I'm not done. I thought I was missing something. I thought I was missing something. Oh my God, I'm such a ding-dong sometimes. Okay, I just found my other bag here. So I went back to... Goodness. Let me get this out of the way. Yeah, go ahead and subscribe if you're new here. Oh my gosh. So, well, I'm going to be 60 next month, so hey, yeah, I forget. So I bought a bunch of rondelles. I forgot when I was done with this particular vendor, I went down to another stall. Now these are not, I bought these 4mm bicones. Now you can see these are cut bigger than these. And if you notice, when you get bicones or almost any type of stone, when you're buying from different vendors, companies, they're all not quite the same size. So, but I got these. I figure, you know, Christmas is coming up. I really don't have a lot of green like this. So I'm assuming this is glass. I don't know, maybe it's some kind of crystal. I'm not sure, but it's pretty. Sparkles. I don't know. But I do like to make some less expensive items because not a lot of people, especially with today, want to spend the money on, you know, this. So I got that. I got these rondelles. Now this is all 4mm. These were, what I'm showing you right now, were $2. I didn't count how many are on here, but they were all $2 each. So I think I got 2 of these. I got 2 of those. Okay. Now I have another color here. And these are the faceted rondelles. Another pretty color here. I think I got 2 of those. Is that the same? Yeah. Yeah, it's the same. And I got a red one, but this is more, in person it looks a little more like an orangey red. So, and that's a 4mm bicone. And then I got 2 of these pretty rondelles, 4mm. It's pretty. They do sparkle really nice. And I got 2 of those. So these were each $2 a piece. I didn't count how many's on there. I think I already said that. Anyway. There you go. This is everything I got at the show. So I guess I got some really cute stuff. I can't complain. It wasn't a waste of time, actually. Here we go. I have blue ones. I have these. So it's definitely worth going. I really like this. There you go. And now that is really it. I'm gonna say goodbye. And don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you think about all this. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.